My name is Harun Malik. I am a part of the Bharat Scouts and Guides for this state level Kempuri. We are grateful to celebrate this 10th International Yoga Day under the dynamic leadership of worthy Chief Executive Officer, Sونمرگ Development Authority. He himself graced the occasion on today morning. Under his leadership, we celebrate this day at this International Youth Hostel, Sونمرگ. This year, we celebrate also the 10th International Yoga Day with the theme Yoga for Self and Society. Under the directions of Honorable Prime Minister throughout the country as well as throughout the world, we are celebrating this day with great enthusiasm and proud that India is the pioneer of this initiative to celebrate globally this International Yoga Day. And with this, we are grateful to Honorable Chief Executive Officer, Sونمرگ Development Authority, for allowing us to be the part of this International Yoga Day at Youth Hostel, Sونمرگ.